Good morning, students. Today I explain about mole and molar mass. Today I explain about mole and molar mass. So what is a mole? So mole simply it is defined as the amount of substance. It is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many particles. As many particles means simply atoms or ions. Okay, so simply mole means simply, for example, take one example, 1 mole of carbon. So 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 grams of carbon. So what is the mass of the carbon? 12 grams. 1 carbon mass 12 grams. So it is equal to 1 mole of carbon. Clear? So 1 mole means simply 12 grams. For example, take oxygen atom. So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to, what is the mass of oxygen? 16 grams. 1 oxygen atom mass 16 grams. So of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to its mass. Its mass means 16 grams. Clear? For example, take nitrogen. So nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to, what is the mass of nitrogen? 14 grams. So 14 grams of nitrogen. Clear? So simply mole means simply its mass. So carbon mass 12 grams. So 12 grams is equal to 1 mole of carbon. So oxygen weight or mass 16 grams. So it is equal to 1 mole of oxygen. Clear all of you? So mole means simply it is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many particles. That contains as many particles. Now second one is molar mass. What is the second topic? Molar mass. What is molar mass? So the mass of 1 mole of substance expressed in grams. Simply this one, same. For example, the mass of 1 mole of substance is expressed in grams. For example, so what is the mass of sodium is 23 atomic units or universal units. Okay. So now 23 units is equal to atomic mass of sodium. So molar mass of sodium is equal to simply 23 grams. Clear? For example, now take hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic mass is equal to 1 unit or 1 gram. So molar mass of sodium is hydrogen is equal to simply 1 gram. Clear? For example, take oxygen atom now. So atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 grams, 16 units. So molar mass of oxygen is equal to 16 grams. Simply. Clear all of you? So simply the mass of mole of substance expressed in grams. This method is called molar mass. Clear all of you? Now explain problems on molar mass. Now. So now write the question, Write the question, all of you. Calculate the mass of the following. First one is 0.5 mole of N2 gas. So calculate mass. For example, take 0.5 mole of N2 gas. How to find? So you know, first of all, 1 mole of N2 gas is equal to how many grams? So nitrogen means 14 grams. So here 2 nitrogen atoms. So 2 into 14 is equal to 28 grams. But if you want 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas, so 0.5 mole of N2 gas is equal to simply 0.5 into 28 grams. So 0.5 into 28 that is equal to 14 Clear all of you? So 14 grams.